idwelo isap keda pesur lu ikaru itomanare itomanangon keditomana kanyape kesi epote ai todianar atalantana ke
dai tutonor kesi anwalo se Mbarara anwe nationals konyelo se training e jok ikapana ngari dua kaisare isapa itomon under 14 buna pesur itomon under 16 so erai duelo pe gogongo chut jeno ni duelo Teso erai duelo ina iktos anyama tapani mumwa nyama tapani nginyo anyama tapani moga pedurungu so erai duelo e gogongo chut na imuno so bonbe ijaisa bongor alosa nyakuni kopo luleme ya unaiso apaction nilo seneso tomo national
Aboliasio ngun nese karulo ejamunebe epote districtan lwedoreta akwatata kaisana lukanyangon ajaikin toma.
That's what I'm saying. As office, we're going to try our best to make sure that you people go to represent the city. You do your best here, get all the skills, go and compete and win. Trophies shall be with you, okay? What matters is discipline. Doing the right thing at the right time. Can you repeat that?
Doing the right thing at the right time.
And then your coaches are the ones going to guide you.
Aboliasio Nuko primary nesitolo C eriogetelo ashoman keda Aboliasio eruchokina keda atukot na irereino Aboliasio ko primary
mami lo sito national ano handball adana jone pol ko ngelo lana asipedo sikesi asingerekini edwa lo sito Aboliasio le handball o national jan Mbarara e timu lo elemtus lo sa na gogong na ra jawn ki ko chesu gogong a départ a jeno biloto so ngena meta yawni ko poi
ei buga loko Mbarara nese buni IC page Aboliasio Nuka ball games o primary ukaruka lo.
And I'm praying for you each moment I reflect that you are in the field. I'm praying for good health, strength, so that you keep on getting the skills that you will display to defeat those who are coming to compete with you to represent our city.
Gabriel Esiku Kanuka TV East Koibuga Soroti.